Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Highlander interior lights full guide. Start by turning off power and opening the doors to prevent shorts. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry off the lens cover, keeping clips safe. Remove the old bulb, inspect the socket for corrosion, insert the correct replacement bulb, and test the light before reassembling the lens and fastening all clips securely. Begin by opening the door and ensuring the dome switch is off for safety. Position a plastic trim tool at the lens notch and apply steady, gentle pressure until the cover releases. Work around the edges to avoid bending clips or cracking the plastic, then lift the lens straight out. Place the lens on a soft cloth to prevent scratches while you swap the bulb and inspect the housing for debris or damage. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials and keep the channel growing. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty as a lighthearted pick for comfort while you wrench. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. With the lens removed, locate the bulb and gently pull or twist it out depending on the socket style. Use gloves or a clean cloth when handling the new bulb and avoid skin contact with the glass to maintain longevity. Insert the replacement bulb securely, then briefly reconnect power or turn the dome switch on to confirm the light works correctly. If it illuminates, reseat the lens and check that all clips align before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.